magkausap kayo for 5 months, and then nag-break kayo. So, walang label.
Alam mo, I think you need self-respect.
Hi, I'm Kat.
And I'm Mika, your Gen Z Marites at
Rated G Podcast. When do you think is the right time to start talking about label? For me, the fact na kinonsider mo yung possibility of being in a relationship with them, parang I think that's a solid starting point or sign, actually.
it's literally yun nga, dahil sa hindi nila sure kung ano yung label nila. Kasi nga, hindi rin naman sila sure kung ano talagang meron sa kanila. Anong point mo? Anong point mo?
Yung communication is key, right? So, the fact na na-open na yung conversation na yun, and you didn't, jump into the opportunity to talk about it. Parang, kind of fungal girl. It was supposed to be your women-loving women era.
Yes.
So, you missed that.
Exactly.
Pero, again, kung hindi na kayo nag-uusap, ano ba? Ready ka na ba mag-move on? Or are we... Napapanaginipan mo pa ba?
Ba't naman
Napapanaginipan mo pa ba? Kasi,